Okay, so we want to look up all of our artwork out of our database. In theory, we just put something in the database. Let's see if we can find it. We want to do this every time we render that front page. We want to both show the form and we want to show the artwork. So I'm going to add some text to this render front function. Our arts equal, and this is how we run a query. We say db.gql query, and then we can include our query. But first, I would like you to tell me what that query is going to be. So what I'd like you to do is write for me the SQL, or in this case, the GQL, to fetch all of the instances of arts from our database sorted by the creation time. Now, I know this is a little bit much to ask. In this case, arts is going to be the name of the table. That's how you do GQL queries. And remember creation time? That field was called created. Okay, good luck.